cooking dried taro leaves with I put some beef meat and some chili pepper fresh with coconut milk. So we call it this in our country, back to the Philippines, laing. Laing, ginataang laing. So in English, dried taro leaves with coconut milk with beef meat, garlic, ginger, root press, onion, and chili.